Welcome! If you want to get notified instantly when LinkedIn finds new job opportunities tailored for you, enabling push notifications for job recommendations is the way to go. With the latest LinkedIn update, it's easier than ever to stay ahead in your job search right from your PC. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to make sure you never miss out on your next big career move. First, open LinkedIn in your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen. Click on the Me icon. This is where you access your profile and account settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings page. Here, you'll see a menu on the left side. Click on Notifications to manage how LinkedIn communicates with you. Within the Notifications section, scroll down until you find Searching for a Job. Click on it to expand more options related to job search notifications. Next, find and select Job Recommendations. This section controls how you receive alerts about jobs LinkedIn thinks are a good fit for you. Now, look for the option labeled Push Notifications. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Click to enable push notifications. Once this is on, LinkedIn will send you real-time alerts directly to your device whenever a new job recommendation matches your profile and preferences. That's it. You've just set up push notifications for job recommendations on LinkedIn. This small change can make a big difference. Now, you'll be among the first to know when the perfect job pops up. Remember, you can always revisit these settings to adjust your notification preferences as your goals evolve. Stay proactive, keep your profile up to date, and let LinkedIn do the heavy lifting in your job search. Good luck landing your next opportunity.